To change your age on YouTube is pretty simple and easy. You first have to navigate out of your YouTube app, then continue to open your Gmail account. And since your Gmail is the one you've used to create your YouTube account, then on your Gmail, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and click on it. Make sure to click on Manage your Google account. Then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then under this interface, you have a list of options. Make sure to click on Personal Info tab. And there you are. Under basic info, you have profile picture, name, your birthday, and since our interest is to change our age on YouTube, continue to click on birthday. And then on this interface, you can continue to update your birthday, the month, day, and year. After that, you have successfully changed your age on YouTube. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.